guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry this generation right here from year 2015, 16 and 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the AC clutch relay is located, which relay you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, relays, fuses at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission, we show you how to do practically almost anything guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now on Toyota Camry guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business guys, because otherwise if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses guys, okay, you have different kinds of relays, you have these special fuses by the way that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So the AC clutch relay, where you can expect guys to find that relay, we will demonstrate on this 2017 Toyota Camry. You guys by the way have two different fuse boxes. The first one is on the driver's side. If you open the driver door, look above the brake paddle under the dash, upside down on the left side, you will see one white cover. Once you open it, that's the interior fuse box right here. Now bad news, you have no relays here. Now if you open the hood, right here on the right side of the car battery, right here next to it, that's the engine management fuse box. Open that cover, you will see that layout right here. You have multiple relays, fuses, but before we continue guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here we'll need to check one relay guys, but you see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 relays. Fun fact, none of those are for the AC clutch. So where that relay is located, we did a lot of research guys, a lot of research, hours and hours, but there is very limited information. So there are two explanations for that. The AC clutch relay is very likely to be integrated in the integration relay. This is a computerized relay with many functions, and one of them most likely is the AC clutch guys, right here in this relay. Other, it could be part of the BCM, this is the body control module, or the engine computer, but the most likely explanation is a part of that integration relay. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.